Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you about the top 10 most intelligent people in the world. Number 10, Garry Kasparov. Kasparov has totally amazed the world when he played to a draw against the chess computer that could calculate 3 million positions per second in 2003. He is a chess grandmaster from Russia. At the age of 22, he became the youngest undisputed world champion by defeating then champion Anatoly Karpov. Number 9. Philip Emeagwali. Philip Emeagwali is a Nigerian-born engineer, mathematician, computer scientist and geologist. He was one of two winners of the 1989 Gordon Bell Prize, a prize from the IEEE for his use of a connection machine supercomputer to help detect petroleum fields. Number 8. Marilyn Vos Savant. In 1985, the Guinness Book of World Records accepted Vos Savant's IQ score of 190. According to MarilynVosSavant.com, she was crowned the woman with the highest IQ for 5 consecutive years. She has tested as high as 228 and various IQ tests. In addition, she is a popular columnist for Parade magazine. Number 7. Mislav Predavic. The Croatian maths professor Mislav Predavic ranked 7th on the list of the 10 most intelligent people in the world. He is the founder and president of the Jenner IQ Society, an elite organization of the most intelligent people in the world. He is also the owner and director of a trade company. Number 6. Rick Rosner. Gifted with an amazing IQ of 192, by simply looking, Rick Rosner would not be thought of as one of the most intelligent people in the world. He has a rough and tough demeanor, having spent a number of years as a bar bouncer. He is an American television producer best known for creating the television show Chips. Rosner later developed a portable satellite television in partnership with DirecTV. Number 5. Christopher Langan. Langan is an American autodidact with an IQ reported to be between 195 and 210. He has been described as the smartest man in America as well as the smartest man in the world by the media. He began talking at 6 months. In addition, he taught himself to read when he was just 3 years. Langan has developed a theory of the relationship between mind and reality. Number 4. Dr. Evangelos Katsalis. Known for his high intelligence test scores, Dr. Evangelos Katsalis is a Greek national who works as a medical doctor and physicist. He has earned degree in philosophy, medical research technology and physico-pharmacology. He is the founder of the World Intelligence Network, an international organization of high IQ society. Number 3. Kim Young-yong. Young-yong is considered the master in child prodigy. At the age of 6 months, he was able to speak and understand Korean and other languages. At the age of 3 years, he could read several languages already, including Korean, Japanese, German, and English, as well as solve complex calculus problems as exposed live on Japanese television. Number 2, Christopher Hirata. Christopher Hirata was genius from his childhood. When just 13, he made waves by getting a gold medal at the International Physics Olympiad. At the age of 16, he was working with NASA in its mission of conquering Mars. At the age of 22, he obtained his PhD at the Princeton University. Hirata is an authorized child genius. He is an American cosmologist and anthropologist. Number 1, Terence Tao. Gifted with an amazing IQ of 230, Terence Tao is at number 1 position in this list of most intelligent people of the world. He is an Australian-born Chinese-American mathematician. He is working in harmonic analysis, partial differential equation, additive combinatoric, ergodic-Ramsey theory, random matrix theory, and analytic number theory. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please hit like the button and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video.